When a dad says to his sons, look out for your sister, he's bringing them into this same mission, protect her. We're going to protect her. When a dad teaches young boys that you don't just treat your sister that way, you treat every young girl that way. Do you realise this? Every young man here who's single, every other single girl on the planet, the Bible says you are to treat like your sister. Even a dating couple, the question, sometimes couples go, how far can we go before we get married? Because we don't want to sin, we don't want to sort of do the wrong thing. Well, answer this question. Would you do it with your sister? Now, maybe I'm in Tasmania and it's the wrong... Yeah, I've dug a hole.